We are out here at the Destin East Jetty. It's late August, and it is mangrove snapper time. We've got a strong outgoing tide, the water's really moving, so the fish should be feeding. But that will also include pinfish, and with an 86-degree water temperature, they've been everywhere, stealing bait like thieves. So, patience is key. Now, the first step to a successful snapper trip is to catch baby LY. So grab a cast net. 1/4-inch mesh is perfect for these little guys, but 3/8 inch mesh will do if you're cool with clearing a few that get gilled. Now onto our setup. I like using about 18 inches of 30-pound fluorocarbon leader and a size 1 circle hook. You'll see I pitch my freeline LY up current and work tight to the rocks, trying to beat those bait stealers and stick a fat mangrove. This is snapper fishing on the rocks, and we are locked in. Watch how I catch my limit so you can do it too.
There you go. Get his ass up. That's a nice one. Watch that rock. Told you, mate.
Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That was on Sig. That's a good one.
Well over that. Shit enough. I'm tangled, but you're good.
Okay. Oh, I saw that.
See him destroy it.
Oh,
Get him up, get him up. Oh, that's a bad.
yes. Yes, sir.
That looked like the one that just ate my head.
Man.
Get him up.
All right, one more.
You got 4?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, fair. You wanna go around?
Hell yeah.